All right, now, so let's go ahead and start with the foods section right here. So if I simply click on it, I will go to simply an HTML page right here, which does not exist. So let's go ahead and fix the link. Let's create the route first. So let me go to routes. Let me go to web right there. All right, so just give it a second and just opened up my PC. So let's go down right here at the bottom, and I'm gonna go right here and I'm gonna make a very simple comment, and that will be food items, something like that. All right, so just I want to copy this. All right, so let me copy this and paste it like that. So this will be all dash foods, and we don't want any kind of ID. All right, so for the function right here, I'm just gonna go all foods. All right, for the name, I'm gonna go all foods like that. All right, so save this. Let's go ahead and copy this name right here, and let's go to the master template of the admin, which is in layouts. All right, so there it is. Here's the last link that we will do. So if we go right here and we make this route and we paste it like that. So yeah, let's copy this function and let's go to controllers. So if I go to HTTP controllers, and if I go to foods right there, well, actually I want to go to admins. So let's go to admins right here, and I'm gonna go right after this, and I'm gonna go foods like that. All right, so paste this in. I want to go ahead right now and I want to copy one of those functions and paste like that. So copy this and paste. We're not gonna need any kind of ID. And I want to go right here and I want to grab all of my foods. So I want to go right at the top. If I go right here, I can simply copy those lines because they're going to be pretty similar. All right, so if I go right here and I paste them like that, so this will be foods. All right, and this will come from the food model, and we're gonna select all by the ID descendingly. All right, so I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna paste it right there, and I want to go to all foods right here and save this. So we're gonna go ahead and create this view. We go to admins right here. We go to all foods.blade.php. So yeah, let's go ahead right now to our foods dash admins right here. If we go ahead to show dash foods, we will go ahead and grab the div with the row, with the class row right here, and let's paste this in like that. And I want to go ahead and I want to copy this so we can import our master template, and I can go down at the bottom and end the section, and I want to go right at the top and I want to paste this code so I can grab my master template. All right, so if I save this, if I now go back, refresh this, and if I try to access the foods, I should actually see my static data. All right, so let me refresh it once again. All right, so there we go. All right, so as you can see, we got data, but of course it's still static, so we need to go ahead and just make it dynamic. This is tr. Actually, this should be a tr right here. If we go ahead and make this tr, now we're gonna delete them anyway, so let's delete those. And I want to go right at the top and I want to loop through my data. So this will be foods as food. All right, so I want to go ahead, copy or cut this tr, paste like that. All right, I want to go right here. So this is simply the ID. So I'm going to go for this I'm gonna grab the ID like that, copy, and go right here and paste like that. So this will be the name of the food, and this will be the image. And for the image, we need an image tag, of course. So I'm just gonna go image source, and I'm gonna go right here, assets. Before assets, I'm gonna just go assets slash let's see, image, and I'm gonna go slash, and I'm gonna concatenate this with this right there. Got this. All right, so yeah, we need to end this first and paste this right here like that. So we do not need those. All right, so great. Right after this, we will have the price. So we want to go right there. Going to paste this. So this will be price. And this link right here, it will actually be for deleting the food items, which we're not going to deal with right now. All right, so save this whole thing. Let's now go ahead and refresh this. Let's see what's going to go down. All right, so just give it a second. All right. All right, so I can stop the video until this refresh it. All right, so now it's refreshing. The images. All right, so the images are not showing up. So there's a problem right there. So the image source, and we're going to asset, and we're going to assets right here, and we're going to image, and we're, yeah, this should be image. This should be ID. This shouldn't be, sorry, this shouldn't be ID. It should be image, of course. So yeah, let's go ahead and refresh this. All right, so as you can see, they're kind of huge. So I'm just gonna go right here with and I'm gonna go, so right here should be src equals, and this right here should be width. All right, so I'm gonna keep this 60, and I'm gonna go right here, I'm gonna go height GHT, and I'm gonna go also 60 like that. So save this. Let's now refresh this. All right, so as you can see, there is the images right there. So yeah, this is actually everything for this video. In the next one, we should go ahead and we should work on creating new food items. So yeah, do we actually need to like display something else from the foods that's important? Let's take a look. All right, so this is taking like too much time. All right, so we can display the category basically. I guess that's important. So if I go right here after price, and I can go category like that. All right, so I can go right after price, and I can go and display this category. Save, refresh. All right, so there is the category right there. I can just remove the $sign. All right, so this will be everything, and I will see you on the next video.